but
what do you think about this, Scott?
I think this is
Professionally set up.
I think we do some sketchy stuff. You gotta aim the orange target towards us. So, dude's wearing my shirt today.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Scott's Garage. We're back shooting the 9mm.
Easter.
Got some regular full metal jacket. We're gonna shoot some tannerite. Never shot some tannerite before. We also got some weird plastic rounds. We're gonna shoot a bowling ball, but shoot the tannerite first.
Should have probably got like safety glasses or something, you know? It's gonna be hard to hit.
Too close. You know what I mean?
Is this where the dust is hitting? Bring it down about 3 feet.
Oh, here we go.
Cheeseburger bird.
Oh. God.
Hit the lid.
Alright, let's go home.
He hit it. How was that? That was sick.
Scott's like, get right up next to it and fucking hold it in your hand.
I wasn't that bad, but Scott's like, get ready to boot it.
Alright, so I missed 18 rounds in a row, so now I got these weird
Let Samantha take a poke too.
I got these weird plastic shots, or they're like, I don't know, practice rounds or some shit, but we're gonna try these.
That was sick.
Alright, come here, I'm gonna shoot the bowling ball. Same thing, got these
Mike, dude.
practice rounds. Aiming at the bowling ball.
I don't understand how that shit works. Maybe you need a high-powered rifle.
Well, I did shoot this weird ammo at it.
Yeah, but even the first one that hit was regular ammo. And I smelt it though.
No, I mean, when it goes, it goes. Probably these rednecks can't smell this and pull in. Oh, what do you do? What's going on? Hey, pull my AR. Use my 50 cal.
I'm a horrible shot. Nice solid hit there.
Nice chunk.
Beat it up a little bit.
That's not even a real round though.
Yeah, that's that plastic crappier stuff.
Just plastic on plastic. You could go bowling with that still.
Probably should be wearing safety glasses.
Matches you perfect.
Now we're getting into it. Look at that.
Oh shit.
A little entry there, look at that. Some decent damage. That's with like
She's
weird
still
plastic rounds.
Solid as a rock though.
We're gonna
Making
shoot
of
some
this.
full metal jacket at it.
I don't know. Maybe that's why. Maybe it expands when you put that on. You know what I mean? Maybe. Tighten that thing on there good.
Shoot like 5 rounds. If I can't hit it, I'm giving it to Scott.
How did it not go off?
Literally direct hit. Hole right in the orange. Yeah. Let's go shoot the bowling ball. I think I only missed maybe once or twice. Did some damage.
These bowling balls are strong.
Probably did just about the same damage. Maybe even a little less. I think we probably hit with the plastic rounds.
Oh.
Bowling balls are pretty tough.
That's just a house ball. For all you redneck gun shooters out there.
I did nothing.
This is a video brought to you by 541 Productions on YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment.
Oh, it says a 9mm will shoot half a pound. These are pounds, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're pounds.
Pounds.
Here's the situation. We hit the tannerite dead center of the orange logo where it tells you to hit.
Right in the horns.
And it just, literally nothing happened, it just fell over. So I'm gonna let Scott shoot this time. See if he can hit it, see if we can get a better result. Yeah, let's go.
How you feel about that, Scott?
There you go, sir. Why don't you let... Well, yeah, well, we need to get a freaking explosion up in here, man.
First try. He led into it first try. Newton.
Man, we done got ripped off, boy.
Newton.
What happened? That wasn't real. Alright, we're gonna have some fun. We'll be right back.
She did it.
Back away slowly.
I got
Well,
it.
that was weird. I couldn't decide.
Alright, you take a Snapchat of me.
Alright.
Should we shoot the bowling ball some more? What do you want to do? I think the tannerite's a dud for right now.
Yeah.
Scott's the worst cameraman ever. When we hit it over there, it smoked up a little bit, right?
No.
The first shot did.
You guys are just dreaming.
did. You did
You're
not smell it.
dreaming.
Did you smell it?
Yeah, it poofed up a little
I
bit.
smell right now. It's gunpowder.
Yeah.
No.
No, it poofed up a little bit. I got it on slow-mo.
Lying.
But
It did, a little tiny bit.
I saw Santa on it too.
we're just
So did
gonna,
I when I was
I
younger.
guess we're just gonna destroy this bowling ball. I don't know. Ooh, oof. Probably not gonna get any strikes with that thing anytime soon. It's a goddamn shame if you ask me. Could have been a good ball. This ball's probably knocked down a bunch of pins in its lifetime. Not anymore. Should we make a bowling video?
Yeah.
Been bowling a lot?
Yeah, the four-wheeler people might love bowling.
Alright, here he is, Jude Myers. Needs a strike to win. How you feel about that?
You know, it's a long pattern today. I think I'm gonna have to break out the urethane.
Had a little bit of Easter fun. How about it, Jude?
Yeah, it was a good time. It was a good time.
Thanks for watching again. Share with your family, your friends, your teachers, your uncles, your dogs, your cats, just give it a share, man. You know? We're just trying to make it. We're just trying to make it this year. I don't.
Dude, here.
Catch y'all on the flippity flip.